Middle bus circus. No. Wow, 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 saved. Yo, watch it, watch it. Turn, 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 turn. No.
For everyone's sake, if you do not allow your children to congregate in the station when you are traversing the station with your children who have roller skates.
Children?
Take off their roller skates and put on shoes. For theirs and everyone else's safety, you must ensure that your children do not skate in the station.
Is he okay? He weren't talking to me, I must have been talking to someone else. So what is up, guys? You are back with Jack and I'm currently out in central London. I am going on a street skate, a group street skate for Nana's street skate. It's a solidarity street skate. And yeah, I'm heading off for a group street skate. It's been a minute since I've actually been on a group street skate, not gonna lie to you. The amount of time, count how many times, take a drink, take a shot every time I said street skate. Flipping, yeah, it's the first time I've been on a group street skate. And yeah, because normally I either skate by myself or skate with like maybe 1 or 2 people. But yeah, I'm running late, so I'm gonna meet them at one of their spots at Oxford Circus. Anyways, let's get into the video. You don't want to hear anything more, so let's get into the video. But yeah, while we're there, make sure you go and subscribe. Yeah, trust me, if you haven't already, you won't regret it. I truly, truly believe that. But yeah, go subscribe and then click the bell button so you know when I'm dropping videos. But anyways, let's get into the video. Boom. Okay, so there's a ghost boot that I've always wanted to try, but it's never quiet enough to do it. And it's a ghost boot basically around the stairs basically, and I go around the other side. Normally I've always wanted to do it over there because it's a bit downhill. Then I wanted to do it there. I was gonna do it there, but it was too busy. And now I could do it here potentially. This might not even work because I've got a blind spot and I don't know who the hell's coming around that corner. I really don't. It might have to be a thing where I do it over there. If I knew who was coming around the corner, it would be great. I'd be able to do it, but I can't. Okay, let's give it a go. Ah, for f***'s sake. Didn't want to do it like that, but we move. Go get it again. Out wide. Boom. Boom. No. Why? Oh, that is annoying. I need to get more speed. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, lady. Why are you there? Oh no, what's that there? Bruv. Oh, I'll be able to get it around that. I need to get it around that. Boom. For fuck's sake. It's really annoying. I'm trying to work out the trajectory. Turn. No. Absolute. That's not supposed to happen. You're supposed to turn, mate. I'm gonna do it one more time. Should be all right once I do it from here. Oh my God. Woo. Woo. Come to baby. Come to daddy. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Done it. Middle bus circus. No. Lovely. Jubbly. I'm just doing bare ghost bits. Ticking bare things off my list. This is great. Come up when it's empty. You can do everything. Seems like I found them. Found the skaters. Who said that? Wagwan. Yeah, I'm good. How are you? Let me give you a hug. Nice to see you. Yeah. Alright, this is a big street skate, boy. Right, it's bare loud, boy. Pure skaters. Woo. Boom. Yo, watch it, watch it. Woo. Thought I was gone. Alright, here's one of my favourite roads. Man like Nana?
Yes! Oh yes, I can see you!
You good?
What a parent! How are you?
Yeah, not bad, man. You know what's so funny? Everybody is flipping blowing. It's like, no. Oh! Jay! OSS in the building, bro. I think we're the only 2. No, actually, Kai's a 3rd. Yeah. Go on then, Kai. Yeah, it's massive. Wow, 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 wow. Save, 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 save. You know.
Go on, my son!
Come on. On your left, on your left. Never done this strip, you know. Trying to catch up to Jay. Watch that little bit. Kai, one out! On your left. Oh, that's why. Makes sense. Makes sense why you're blowing. Which way are we going, Nana? Should have done that really, run the red light, but oh, good to see you. Let's go then. On your tail. Oh, 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 maybe not. On your left, on your left. Oh, inliners, yeah? Inliner gang. You're on the wrong side of the fence, bruv. This is probably one of the first people I saw skate, bruv. Gotta get some snacks. Well, not some snacks, I need some water. The rear time security is actually nice and lets the skater into the shop. 135 to what? No, you're taking the piss. 135 for Volvic. Bruv. What?
Mama paid 199 for a 75p boost, so
Huh?
it's caught.
Brethren, that's wild. Hello. I'm going, you ain't getting me, mate. Sods. Oh! Storm of skaters. Whoop. Rum, 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 rum. There you go. Come on. Everybody got the 360, boy. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Meow. If you've noticed something, as skaters, we definitely clock a good road or a dead road. Ladies are off. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Ladies are off, bro. Look at them. I said, yeah? Fine you, man. The ladies are off. What? On your right. There you go. Only a few people have J Slow. I'm still trying to get it. No one's really got it. I've got my own version. Effortless. Bro, I've never.
Because
the hell?
Derby, so you can like they're all leather, so you can like sew on it.
What the hell?
I took 3 leather needles because I kept breaking them because I'm not that good at like a leather work. But
Yeah, that's mad. I've never seen that in my whole time skating. Wow, the views. Yeah, crazy. Oh, where's that? 17. Cool, I'm getting that one. Don't leave me, boy. Alright, quick one. On the people, them. You best turn, bruv. Ooh, sorry. Come on. Oh, lovely. That was close. I thought I was going to knock into the guy, I'm not going to lie.